That is just dead ass, dude. Do it for the vlog. Welcome to the road to success. I'm Chris and this is my weekly vlog. Enjoy! Hello guys and welcome to my 16th vlog. This will be kind of a short vlog, I guess. This is the aftermath of the car crash, part 1. So far I know 2 things. It will be way more expensive than I thought. And second of all, I offended people. The original title of my previous vlog was I wrecked a fucking car, but of course the car is not a fucking car. It's, meaning, piece of shit or I don't know. It's fucking me wrecking the lovely car, so just to make it clear, it's just a word I say way too often. So for all those people who didn't know by now, it's just a fucking word I say way too often. So yeah, I'm sorry if I offended you, but now you know. The day after the crash, I went to the university and my landlady went to the police because it's her car and she didn't want to get in trouble and stuff. And this of course only adds to the damage of the car. I thought it would be about 1,000 euro, but it's about 3,000 euro, probably more. Plus I have it was a case of hit and run, so I'm registered at the police at a local fucking car offender. No, it's not funny at all, but anyways. And also, I have to pay the fucking sign, and it was kind of a big sign. At least now I can show you the video because it's all legal and shit. Holy shit, like no fucking shit, I just fucking wrecked the car. I'm so fucking stupid, I can't believe it. And the thing I hate most of it all is, that I don't know yet what I have to pay, It's like I have no fucking idea. Maybe this fucking sign costs another 3,000 euros. I don't even know. And right now I have about 1,000 euros, so I'm fucked for the next year. Just imagine you had plans for life and suddenly it all turns to dust. It crumbles into pieces of shit, It was like that. I lost, all my cash. I will be losing all my cash, and moreover, I'm in debt. I'm in fucking debt. To be continued in another vlog. And for now, enjoy my vlog. Braces week 6. It's getting worse again. There are, really sharp, these spikes at the end of my upper teeth, at the end, right there and right there, it's, it's piercing into my cheeks, so that's not very pleasant, but other than that... It's fucking 8 o'clock, I don't know, I slept 2.5 hours, like, barely, and we're on our way to the car repair shop. We barely made it nach Korneuburg. We were both so fucking late and she had an important appointment she can't miss. So she dropped me off. Alright, fuck. Fuck! I took the wrong fucking... Where the fuck am I? What the fuck? Next fucking train comes in 20 minutes. Fucking wrong direction, so stupid, I can't believe it. Meanwhile, I almost made it to my university. It's a beautiful day, at least. University part 1 done. Now I'm on my way to my grandparents. Get something to eat, and after that I'll return. 7 hours of university today, crazy shit. Run, okay, alright.
Magst du zweimal zu?
Oh my god. Whoa, those chemtrails, bro. Food was good. I'm a little bit rested. I took a short nap, 20 minutes, and now I'm back on my way to my university. I'm so fucking tired. Couldn't stay awake during the class. Yo, back home I tried to record some vocals for Lady T, but I'm not able at all. I'm so... it's not working. So yeah, I'll play the guitar a little bit more and then record some gameplays probably. And then go to bed. I will see you tomorrow. Fading colors. I'm on my way to print out loads of shit for my university. I'm on my way to the copy shop. Taking my bike, of course. Beautiful day today. I made it. Sponsor. There we go. Alright, let's bounce. Drop the papers. Now I'm on my way to the university. Fucking car situation is so fucking stupid in general. Yo, already back home, not much going on. Currently I'm at episode 30 of my Let's Play project. Maybe I'll get to 45 today. Big plans. I will see you tomorrow. Oh my god, it's such a wonderful and warm day. I'm on my way to film the Fallout 4 pipe video. Yo, YouTube outfit. And there we go, that's the Fallout 4 pipe rifle, yeah. Yo, I just finished the pipe gun video, pasted it on this wood, and of course I fucked around with the laptop. Pretty fucking funny, bruh. You see me now, motherfucker? Let's hurry home, it's pretty late. I need to train those kids, I will see you there. There we go, well, it's already green monkeys. But anyways. Yo. The hug, man. Look at the hug. Oh, the hug. Okay, Nico. Frankie, show that ass, bro. That is just that ass, dude. Do it for the vlog. Yeah. Holy shit, and now? Climbing session! How the fuck is this working? Okay. Ah. It's the Lorta ohne Sprossen, you remember this shit? Never made it. Until today. Let's see. New boulders incoming. Holy fuck. Great session today. The pipe gun project is almost completed. It's 4 o'clock AM. I will see you tomorrow. Training those kids, yo. A little bit tired. Alright, let's set up the stuff. Beautiful sunny day. It's pretty warm too. Now I'm on my way to get some things checked with my health insurance. Beside the fucking car I have all kinds of problems. Fucking sucks. What are you looking at? Back on my way home. I don't know, man. It's like every fucking thing is like so shitty right now. Right now I can't see, you know, the positive things in my life. It's like fucking downhill the last days. It's already Sunday, it's freaking cold apparently, it's raining a little bit. Yeah, and I pretty much lost the last days. I mean, I recorded a lot of Fallout gameplays, and I also completed the pipe gun video, but yeah, you know, otherwise that's the aftermath of the car crash. I'll need more time to recover from this one, because I'm a fucking pussy. Simple as that. And right now I'm on my way to meet up with some people from my university to talk about the major project, so at least my university shit isn't suffering as much. Already back home, it was a pretty cool day. I got my job as project management guy for a pretty big group of students. There are 6 other guys in the team right now, maybe there will be more. But anyways, I'll keep you further updated about that, of course. And now let's review the week. Yo, what the fuck, I didn't film quests for the week again. But anyways, it's pretty much nothing going on right there except the real life section. The car crash actually unlocked a pretty stupid side of me, you know, a even more stupid side. So I had a few ideas, you know, really stupid ideas. Yeah, and I think I'm going to fulfill them. Like a ISIS execution video and a paintball execution video, maybe in public, or I don't know, some crazy shit like that. And also this week I filmed the Fallout 4 pipe gun video and released it, so at least I completed one goal. And Fallout Let's Plays, I'm at episode 60 right now. I spent 2 hours on main quests, of course, on Lady T. I spent 17 hours with university stuff, only 5 hours of paid work, so it's gonna take a while to, you know, assemble the cache. And I spent 26 hours on side quests, you know, which is kind of easy because, you know, Fallout Let's Play is a side quest, and this sums up to 50 hours of working hours this week. Doesn't seem that bad at all, but anyways, I don't know. But if you whatever, I will see you in my next vlog.